what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic na about that girl we go to follow married man, we say in get belle for married man. No, now so the man can say no want am again. We cry out for Germany. We say he born for one Yoruba man. She too na Yoruba. We say they can go do DNA test. Now so they can say not be the pikin, not be the man. Oh, so we should can't talk so many things. Say now they can go do DNA and the man they deny the pikin, or because he you know, when I know why this girl. Why I do this video, I want to update my people again. Make them listen to the topic. What it really can happen? What it make this girl they do this thing because of say the man, you know, get pikin. The wife never born for him. Now he make this girl they feel say him go feel use belle say oh the man. You understand? And when they date, according to her, I go play some of her voice record because I listen to what she talk for Mama Gladys platform. Now they know say the girl a bad person. Now they feel me, my people. Because some people, all because you see say the man and with his wife that they get his wife never feel born for him. Now he make if he born for the man will just upset and like that. You know say they not they do life not be like that. Now understand. More than listen, my darling people, more than listen to her voice record. No, when I first listen to the wife own, the guy wife, waiting she use her own mouth talk, and now say listen to the girl when they talk say, mama, I love the man, I love the man because una know why? Because they say the man still get money small, and the wife never born for him. If he born for the man will can't leave his wife. But things it's not supposed to be like that, my darling sister. So guess now the highest. The highest. What it go make you even go born for man will not be your own? Or because you say your wife they look for picking. Oh no, you not be God. God go see do and the woman go still born picking. More than listen.
2 days of lockdown. For a other man of never lockdown. 2 days of Valentine. Now me hear this girl. Before me ask this girl, I confirm because me dey confirm something before I put her for head. I think when I ask this girl, now I record that message. Always me just dey tell that girl. My husband never tell me anything. I don't dey use brain of my own say as I hear say na small pikin. I don't dey use my sense take talk to the house. I still answer a question say when una for the do am, he say you know he don't go if you carry am go just pass here. Let's tell him that. When my husband come tell me the truth. Now I go dey think say so person like this dey because me come fit dey hear am for outside. The guy go tell some people truth. My enemy when you this girl know say they hate me.
Una hear what the woman talk. The girl, when they ask the girl say they only drop him because saying no the girl according to the woman. And your husband I can confess to his wife say see you. Maybe he be carrying her for one night too. As he come be say 12, they come begin the date each other. But the girl know say he get wife. Or be say the man now, you know say some men now, he just dey free, say nothing. You know say the girl now want born because the man dey nice. He want born put because the man dey nice. Some women are terrible, really. Some girls of now, the small girl, no fit go look for boyfriend. Or because you say the woman they look for pikin. Now if you say you fit use pikin, say oh the man. You never see some men, he love his wife, you don't go leave him. And you not be God. This thing what you do so go if God will come do this woman will come born. The woman say no, he not able to say no will carry the pikin. He said no able talk. He said no, he not talk say no will carry the pikin. You don't know what it be your problem. You don't get the time where they say no will carry the pikin. But some guess not the highest. The highest. One listen.
You know say person go pay for this life. You go get your people will love you. You go get people will hate you. This guy will tell them the truth. When my husband tell her, say, no, let my wife know. He go down that side the truth. He go tell me lie. Me, I'm going to hear all those things when for outside. Later, when we got the threaten my husband, now my husband take open up for me. Say, okay, as it is now. My dear, see what you have. You know my husband dey tell my husband land for hospital, mama. He land for hospital. My husband see blood, me say God dey regret. Say, yeah, I don't kick this man. My husband land for hospital. But what I go do now, at the end of the day, I accept it. I accept it. I accept it. People talk to me, I say, okay, I accept it.
Okay, okay, mama.
You see, he say he upset him because he never born. She never born for the man. That makes they upset anything where the man do. Now they hear my people.
I go for I go say no. I not go for another person. Go for I don't accept this baby. Me, I don't know what my husband say here. When you go do DNA, I don't know.
Okay, up till now, your husband never still tell you waiting here.
Ma?
Up till now, your husband never still tell you waiting here.
He said that so be he get the picky. He said that one person should they follow and they drag the picky. He tell me.
You see, another person they follow and they drag.
Okay, when you see this, the day when they go do DNA,
Another person.
sister. The day when they go do DNA, sister. Hello. Tashewo.
No, you don't tell me. I mean they think like that.
Oh.
When we go through this place, when we go tell Carabineri say, we go picky way beyond. They say you not beyond me again. Now they talk, but all of them when they talk about Amazon, we won't go. You get documents. Now Africa you go meet yourself. This one say no. Now Africa, now all of them say go. The next day, that evening, that night when we just come, everybody going home. I don't hear they say, now me you juju take on computer. Where take the negative? Mama, I cry myself that.
Now that's the way they use juju. You use juju. Take toner, make the DNA make it change. I never see that one before. Not what will not go here for social media. Not what will not go here.
I said I get juju. Let me not use me. I get bosses over this day.
Okay.
I get the juju, so I get that kind of juju for corner. I'm not going to use that for myself. I'm not going to use that for this same people they look for me, not be my husband. Mama, anywhere, anything, anyhow. If they want to go to another DNA, no problem. No problem. Now, if the pikin and my husband, we go carry. Me, I'm ready to carry. I don't even name the pikin. I don't name her as God wants it. Follow what it fair. I don't give my Yoruba name. Me, I'm
not give the pikin name.
We just surprise. All our plan as we just sit down. If this pikin don't be my husband, we don't even think or say no go be my husband. We don't sit down as we do everything. I was so surprised when the DNA say negative. If they want to go do it for another place, we are ready. We are ready. Make this thing finish. I don't tire.
Okay, man. That's your best sister representative.
The money that way again. I'll be going married for you. Never born. So maybe I don't know.
God will give you. No, not just say never born. You don't. God will give you. Say this what it is. That's what.
The money that way again. I'll be going married for you. Never born. So maybe I don't know.
God will give you. No, not just say never born. You don't. God will give you. Sister, this is what you said to me. I don't understand that.
Me. That's why I'm asking.
Now Yoruba, but we jump in our family. Since we just even the time when you call them, then they say you will so enter night. They take my house.
Okay.
You understand?
So my people, that one are the wife own. The wife own. So ma play the voice record of the girl. Mama listening now. Where they say I Mama, I love her. Love bako gide. Not be only love her. Love finish you there. You know what it be love? I love her. We only love her. But some girls not the highest, really. Some girls not the highest. Highest way me I never see for this world. I love her. We only love her.
Carry up and down, say she don't get proof. She dey deceive herself. And
No, sir.
when she married, they deceive her.
He said the way my husband they deceive her.
When me and Aki today Ojo dey talk, when we dey talk, when I born, as people take carry picture go give your wife. Because based on I love the man, I no go lie.
Okay.
I love the man. And I keep very.
When I dey hear, he love the man.
Carry up and down, say she don't get proof. She dey deceive herself. And her husband, when she married, they deceive her.
Una dey hear.
You hear me, ma? Because when I tell Jeremy, when me and Aki today Ojo they talk, when we they talk, when I born, as people take carry picture, go keep your wife. Because based on I love the man, I no go lie. I love the man. And my
He loved the man.
Anything when the man call me, tell me, say, man, do, now they do. Anything, if not my say, this is my phone. What me and the man didn't talk. The phone don't spoil. Because of this matter, I'll go replay the phone. Mama. Where are the kids? All the food where my children dey eat, clothes where we dey wear, reach where there is telly where me Kikelo go dey use for telly. Reach telly where I dey use 49 pocket money where I dey use. Na today they send everything.
He say everything. He said the man dey lie. He say everything when in dey eat, everything wey pikin dey eat. He say the man dey send money to take care of the pikin. He surprised say the man dey lie now say not be him get pikin. And wetin she dey talk because the voice record not too loud.
As he and the wife go talk, he and the wife go talk. He go run, won't call me for phone for back. He go run, drive go outside, won't call me for back. He go tell me, say, my wife go call me. He go talk, so this thing. Make me talk like this. But based on say my pikin already dey inside, and I love one, and he don't even promise me.
He say he love the man.
That bastard man, that Olori Buruku, if that
Oloro Buruku. He said the man na Oloro Buruku.
promise me marriage, and he can tell me everything. Based on that one, anything wey he tell me say ma I dey do. Olori Buruku dey one year. That useless bastard. Person wey buy ticket for me, why I enter this Italy na Aki today o. You dey hear me, mama? As I take go do DNA test, when wife dey call, they talk say they force me, they drag me like say I be goat, when they put rope for him neck, they drag am. All those things na lie. Phone, this phone wey I dey talk to you now, wey take my hand. Na Aki today buy this phone for me. When you go tell me say, mama, as I dey comot for him journey, reach Italy, stay for Milan, before I go enter Napoli, no one wey Aki no know. No one wey you no know. As I dey reach
He say as he take comot for Italy, comot for Germany, go Italy. He say no one wey the man don't know. He say na the man buy tickets, na the man do everything. So he surprised say the man dey lie now, say they not dey in good things like not being get pikin. He say the man dey lie. He said the man dey lie, my people. O to look back o.
we carry this boy when they say no be pikin now. We carry am go do shopping. We go do shopping for am. We dey buy phone for me. When we gather go do DNA test. When we gather go do DNA test, because the good life my wife now say they put rope for my leg, they drag me. Say now we go carry me. Or you go know that day when we go even do DNA test. As we go do the DNA test, we carry me go Napoli back. Once you give me money, give me 150 euro. Why I do shopping for my baby that day? How can I carry me go to DNA test? Baba Junior know everything. Mama, if you need Baba Junior number, I will send the number for you.
He say Papa Junior.
Baba Junior. Baba Junior, how can I go carry me that money? But, how can I go lie? Anything where they say me now talk, and they talk and because of say, he say, he want to be wife, he don't want me wife, know when he go to marry with me, he don't want me.
Una dey hear? He said the man tell her say he no want make wife know. He no want make wife know when he go marry the girl. So make he just keep everything calm so that make wife no know. And what should you try tell us so? One of the list you my people. Wow. He said the woman are mumu. He said before another woman will carry belly come, say the woman not going. He said the woman are mumu, the woman are mugre, we don't know. He said this he said the man, another woman go carry 5 women go bring belly come give the man before you for your wife I go need say they don't want her for that house.
Mama, this my phone when you are
Oh, wow.
Before that, his wife called me. I go go repair the phone because of this matter. Now they play all the voice records. Now they play all the this thing when you are knocking the talk. Now go play all of it give you. As I play phone, now when my pikin dey play now I keep father wey don die for Nigeria now I put the name come for my pikin.
He said the pikin name, the name where the pikin they bear. He said na Aki brother. That is the man where give him the belly na Aki be a name. Now a brother na he give him the name of a pikin. When they deny say not being get am.
Now I give my pikin that name. Oluwa gbé mi ga. Now I give am that name. As I dey go for Nigeria, where Aki tell me say they do naming ceremony. They do naming ceremony. They keep ram for my pikin. If na like say I dey lie for Aki head, make una call Aki come outside. Make God do voice record. Make God talk. Make me sit up now. I know say no go tell the truth because of the wife. I know say no go talk true because of the wife. Everything as Aki, if Aki go say wife won't come in, Aki go don run go outside, don't come in for back. He go dey beg me. Hello, mama. All this one where your wife dey play for you, say no, like my husband carry me for connection. He say your husband carry me for connection. All this one na game and lie. All of it na lie. Like wetin the husband tell me, say ma tell you why, not tell you why. If they be like say na lie. The day when the husband dey come in, dey tell me go those things. He get one of his friends wey dey go Ahmed. Ahmed dey there that day. When Ike call the husband with Ahmed come out, when they come tell me, and I know say na the lie they go stop, they go say no.
What I hear from the man,
The voice low. And the man.
I say na you tell am. But you dey talk just now like
He saying tell the wife. He saying tell the wife say if the baby na his own, say they go claim am. The wife can't say go even give the baby name. But the man voice not too clear like that.
hello brother.
So my people, now so the voice record reach. So the man say that baby, see another man they where they follow and drag the baby. See another man they. So wetin me I come reason for this thing now be say the girl know wetin she dey do. The girl know wetin she dey do, like because it is a why in the drag now for this thing be say the man get money small and his wife never born for him. Now he make this girl now want use pikin to trap the man. And the man say another guy there where they follow and drag the pikin. Now he make him now not believe say that he get the pikin again. So DNA not go talk lie. DNA not go talk lie. As far as say the pikin they alive, Make they go do DNA test. From there, they go know who born the pikin. Understand? Waiting me see be that one. No. From there, they go know who born the pikin. Because the wife now they cry I just feel her pain. I really pity for her because some girls they are terrible, really. They desperate. Some girls. Eh? Okay, what it make you now? One just cause pain for this woman body now. Or because you say the woman never feel born pikin for your husband. Eh? Some girls, una body really, eh? Una the IES, my darling people, eh? So thank you everybody. That's why I do this topic reach today. So I just want my update una again for the May ogbonge gist with the ground. So thank you, and God bless you people for me. If you see this video, you can share the video, share it to your community tag, share it to your Facebook, to your messenger. You can share it for me. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your humble sister, your one and only Lady J. And if you have not thumbs up, go and thumbs up the video. Thank you and bye.